Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 1st to the 15th. For June 1st to the 5th, we have the northern jet that here remains across Canada, and we have this ridge across Canada and the Midwest, and a trough along the East Coast and the West Coast. Now, this ridge is forecast to retrograde westward. That's what retrograde means. I didn't mean to repeat it again. And this will bring hot temperatures across the central states to the northeast. And then a trough along the East Coast will have several systems within it. And this will that could bring some heavy rain over the southeast. The western and central states will experience a couple episodes that would bring rain and storms across the northern plains and the Rockies. We'll take a look at that. Okay, here's the first to the 5th. And we have several systems here that can bring rain, storms, and also here along the east or the southeast. This is an area that doesn't need any more rainfall. So we look here at the GFS. This is late Sunday. You see we have some rain here. Pockets of heavy rain here, also a system offshore. I'm not sure what that could be at the time, but it remains weak. And we'll go forward to the 5th. And then we have this other area of rain moving into the northern plains with more rain. Okay, we're going to look at the period for June 6th to the 10th. And a trough forecast over the eastern Pacific, into the west, and off the northeast coast. You can see right here, here's our trough here. Here's another trough. Above normal heights across Canada into Greenland, with below normal heights across the southern states. You can see it right here clearly. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 48 degrees above normal. Maybe a little lower here, maybe closer to normal, maybe about 1 to 2 degrees above normal here. And we have below normal temperatures here, and for this region, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and for this region, and the probability of occurrence near 35%. Above normal precipitation here, with the probability of occurrence near 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for June 11th to the 15th. And you can see here we have above normal heights covering much of Canada and Greenland. And we have below normal heights here across southern states and the eastern states. Now this correlates well to what's going on over in Asia, because during this period, we'll go back a little bit. See, we have a trough here across Eastern Asia. Usually brings a trough here in the east. Another thing, if you look at, we have a possible recurving typhoon, maybe. It depends where it recurves. If it recurves here, it looks like it'll be hitting Japan and goes northeast, while other models, I think, have it curving out and to the northeast, and that could have implications downstream on the pattern here in the mid-latitudes. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here with anomalies of near 8 degrees above normal, mainly across the northern Rockies, parts of the Northwest, and below normal temperatures forecast here with the anomalies near 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the western states, probability of occurrence 35%. And we have below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 1st to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.